Damn, that was literally terrifying to watch. Let's watch a cute cat video to recover. Okay, I feel better. Bitcoin price defies oversold conditions to hit 15-month low. Oh, you had to go and ruin it. Bitcoin's persistent failure to produce a notable price bounce despite extreme oversold conditions indicates that the bearish sentiment is very strong. As a result, a convincing break below the 200-week moving average support of 3170 cannot be ruled out. Personally, I can't wait for Bitcoin to fall below 3K. Let's just jump into it and get it over with, shall we? Can we do that? Bitcoin, or rather, what is Bitcoin, is Google's most searched term in 2018. What is racketeering is second. I can only imagine Tekashi69 has something to do with that. Not the best publicity, for sure, but still positive. When crypto hits the next bull run and people start to make money again, you can see levels of FOMOing back in that we've never seen before, except for last December. Other than that, never seen before. Sadly, the masses happen to buy at the top and run away at the bottom. It's just how they work. It's disgusting. If we are going to have one more year of bear market and you slowly buy throughout, how many Bitcoins are you going to end up with at the end of the year? How many hundreds? How many thousands of XRP are you going to end up with? How many ethers will you have? Enough to personally stake them without needing to go to a pool when proof of stake comes out? What else we got here? How much tether? No. NEO. Could you have enough NEO to actually make good profits just from gas itself? I like this question because it's a comforting one, you know. Not financial advice, but let's assume you are going to dollar cost average, say $100 a month from the month of January until December 2019. So $1,200 at the end of the year. How many Bitcoins would you end up with? So if Bitcoin stays at 3K, you would end up with about 0.4 Bitcoin. And if it drops to 2,500 and stays there, half a Bitcoin, which hopefully puts you at little to no financial risk, even if you lost all of that money. Not bad, right? The methodology is of course flawed. You don't need to let me know. Bitcoin is quite volatile. There's no guarantee that tomorrow won't be the start of the bull run. Who's to know? But I think there is some insight to be gained from this. How much will that Bitcoin be worth in the future? Well, we shall see. But Bitcoin would need to get up to 25 to 30K for you to make a 10 times return on investment. But let's get it a little crazier. Say you were a bit diehard. Say you were to put in $500 a month if you could afford to lose it. At the end of 2019, 2 Bitcoin, or if Bitcoin dropped to 2,500 and stay there, 2.4. So $40,000 from a $6,000 investment in Bitcoin if it goes back to the previous all-time highs. Amazing for stocks, not so amazing for cryptocurrency altcoins. The biggest reason that they exist, even though they have vastly lower usage statistics than Bitcoin. They are riskier, but pump harder. For example, top 10 crypto deals in 2017 returned over 136,000% on average, report shows. What were those coins? Bitcoin wasn't one of them. Actually, the top of the list with 614,000% was IOTA, then NXT, Ethereum, Stratus, Spectre Coin, Neo, etc., etc. So I want to end today's video on a question. Do you like turtles? Let me know. Or if you'd rather a cryptocurrency investment question, I would also happen to like to know which 3 tokens, if you could only invest in 3, would you invest in? Let me know your thoughts below. If you see someone else with the same 3 as you, upvote it so it gets more visibility. Hopefully this becomes an interesting resource for other people to look at, see what coins they're interested in. That's been it from me, and as always, thank you very much for watching. You know what to do if you enjoyed. I'll see you again soon.